Looking for the best Osmo toys? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Osmo toys on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Osmo Creative Set with Monster Game. Pros: very educational, spurs creativity from younger children. Monster character is appealing to a wide audience. Drawings can become computer animated. Cons: app only works with Apple devices. Additional supplies can be obtained elsewhere. Games described as repetitive. Works on iPad only. Bottom line: this interactive Osmo set with 3 creative apps will encourage young visual artists to sketch, draw and animate. Parents will need to invest in the original Osmo game base, however. At number 2. Osmo Pizza Co game. Pros: provides a real-life restaurant simulation for young players. Introduces mathematical concepts in a non-math environment. Difficulty level is adjustable for various players. Cons: software freezes are a common issue with players. App may not recognize proper placement of game pieces. Only works on Apple devices. A separate base is necessary. Bottom line: the Pizza Company game is one of the more popular Osmo add-ons, since it provides real-world experience along with math comprehension skills. At number 1. Osmo Genius Kit. Pros: very easy to download from App Store, various skill levels available. Games encourage visual, auditory, and haptic learning. Includes original Osmo base, reflector and stand. Cons: games are repetitive, not as engaging for older children. Bottom line: the Genius Kit from Osmo combines interactive technology with the time-proven techniques of child education. 5 different games will keep young players engaged for hours at a time. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.